can hear you. So now we can be sitting in the cupboard and doing this interview. Chalo, good. What to do? We have एक तो quarantined है हम, बाहर जा नहीं सकते ज़्यादा, और लाइट कहीं और आ नहीं रही, तो ऐसी लाइट आएगी तो वही करना पड़ेगा. What to do? Now we are inside the cupboard and doing this.
You know one thing, right? You are damn cute.
But I said, when I do something, I have to do it wholeheartedly and nicely. So here we are, वो net crack कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ आके बैठ गए हैं. ये मेरा last interview, and also I'm very tired, so I might be acting stupid or something. But this is exactly what I have to do.
नहीं, इस चीज पे तो one I love you बनता है from my side. You are really cute.
वो 2-3 दिन से क्वारंटाइन में अकेले बैठा था मैं. I was getting very negative about the whole thing. I thought लोग बोलेंगे वापस आ गया ये, अब उनको क्या मालूम मुझे कितनी जरूरत थी पैसों की, चीजों की. लेकिन the excitement that I've seen that people are having of me coming back in the house, I'm just very glad यार, because इतनी चौथी बार आ रहा हूँ भाई. तो वो जो लोग नहीं बोलते थे, जैसे मैं सुबह गार्डन में जा रहा हूँ प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए अपना, आप आ नहीं रहे इस बार बिग बॉस में, वेट कर रहे हैं हम आपका. तो मैंने कहा मतलब अच्छा ऐसा है कि हर साल ऐसे आके माथा टेक के जाना पड़ता होगा, तो मैंने कहा चलो हो गया शगुन पूरा, सब लोग बोल ही रहे थे तो आ रहा हूँ मैं, देखो क्या होता है.
That's really sweet. मजेदार इंसिडेंट है. चलिए अब मैं कुछ एक ना सवाल आपसे सिर्फ रैपिड फायर की तरह से पूछने वाली हूँ. तो विकास से पूछते हैं कि उनको क्या क्या पसंद है, नापसंद क्या क्या है, और बिग बॉस के घर में क्या क्या वो करने वाले. मुझे बताइए, आपको रिएक्शन देना है. वन वर्ड. एजाज.
Everything, given everything. Okay. Do everything. He's. Let me find the right word for it. All in. He's all in.
Rahul.
Real. Faulted, real, and that's how good people are.
Rubina.
Brave. Very brave.
Abhinav.
Good man.
Kavita.
Experienced.
Nikki Tamboli.
Patakka.
Okay. Rakhi Sawant.
Very good heart.
Manu.
I haven't really. I've spoken to him 2-3 times, and he comes across as a good man, like simple man, and I've always been respectful towards him. He's been my senior. एक season पहले आए थे हमसे, तो that much I know about him.
Vikas.
Wonderful.
Really?
Yeah, very.
अच्छा, और ऐसा कौन सा कंटेस्टेंट है जिसको आप डेफिनेटली देखना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि जब आप आएंगे तब सिर्फ 4 लोग बचेंगे, तो आपकी बहुत इच्छा है.
I would have really loved to see Ali. I would really like to see Rahul Vaidya because I like his game. It's interesting how it's been going on. Abhinav and I used to be friends years back. I want to meet him just to say hello. Do we remember each other? मतलब था, एक time था. So like that, Jasmine, I know her quite often. I've met her a couple of times. She was very helpful to me in one of the things that I do for my orphanage. So उसने क्या किया था कि on my birthday I asked all my friends कि वो gifts दे मुझे, पर इन list में से कोई भी सामान लाए. So the list had all the things that kids needed. Oh. So Jasmine got late. तो वो कुछ choose कर दिया कि ये already dubs हो चुका, ले लिया लोगों ने. So what she did was she specifically called for some 70 the most amazing mangoes, and then she said aam khila do bachcho ko at least. So I think that's very, very sweet of her. So I remember this incident. That's why I remember very fondly about everything. Yeah,
that's sweet. चलिए अब लास्ट मुझे जाते जाते ये बताइए कि जब बिग बॉस में इतने सारे I really want to talk to you a lot because I really love you a lot. जितने भी इंटरव्यूज आपके साथ किए, it's fun interviews. Still up timing है तो, और आप थक भी गए हैं, So अब मुझे ये बताइए कि जब इतने सारे बिग बॉस से आप करके आते हैं, तो ऐसी क्या चीज है जो आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती है और अपने आप में चेंज हो जाती है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम लूजिंग द वेट?
No, I think I'll tell you one of the most important reasons why I continue to be on screen even after I think the after effects of being on screen have not been the most amazing for me in my personal life is that once मैं और करण I think movie देखने गए थे और
कौन से वाले करण?
कुंद्रा I think
okay.
कुंद्रा. So वहां पर ना this was after my season 11 finished. और वहां पर क्या हुआ कि there was a man around 30 who came to me and said, you know, my family loves you and my mother loves you more than she loves me. I said, Arif, what are you saying? So she said, no, wait. And he called his mother. So his mother came. And उसने मम्मी बोलो अरे बहुत लाड देते हैं the older people. And she says, of course. मैंने कहा ऐसे कैसे बोल रहे हो? और वो बोलता है, मॉम बताना जरा क्या बोलते हो? So उसकी वाइफ नहीं आई थी because she was pregnant. So mother and the son had come to watch a film. So the mother would touch the belly of the bahu and say, Vikas Gupta aega. And I cried for half an hour after that, locked in the bathroom, because I did not know what I had done to deserve something like this from an older human being who's seen life. And this is the kind of incidents I have encountered. I get sick. My fans send me medicines. If I have a bad mood, I will get jalebi and dahi because I like the combination. Aww. If I lose too much weight, I get 2 kgs of rabdi at my house so that they know I'll not waste it, I'll eat it. So somehow the love that I wanted and I deserved might not have come from the places that I thought would, but they come from this. And this happens only because saw me on Big Boss. The reason why I give so much to Big Boss every year is because Big Boss has given me so much too. And it's not about fame or money. I had way more money when I was a producer than now. But yeah, that's the truth. But at this point of time, I just feel that the love that I get from Lost Souls and other people and the respect that I get, it's amazing. It really is. So it's worth the pain that I go through sometimes or the uncomfort. But that's about it. I really do. And at this time, I like every time people think ना कि जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे बहुत जरूरत है जीतने की, और मुझे बहुत जरूरत है कि ये 2020 में जितना कुछ भी लिया है, कुछ ऐसा तो हो इस साल में कि मैं बोलूं मैं जीता हूँ, तो मुझे जीतना है. So that's the idea of doing this.
चलिए, thanks a lot and please take rest. कुछ खाना वाना खा लो यार, मुझे बुरा लग रहा है यार.
But guys, so much fun doing in the cupboard. Because लाइट यहीं से आ रही है और बाकी जगह लाइट नहीं है और बाथरूम में सिग्नल नहीं आ रहा और मेरे रूम में लाइट बहुत ही वाहियात है, तुम देख नहीं पाते मेरा चेहरा कैसा है, तो इसलिए this is the life of an artist. और you guys think इतना अरे सब कुछ बड़ा रोजी है, भैया रोजी नहीं होता. मैं सुबह I think कुछ 10 घंटे से खाया नहीं है कुछ मैंने. I've been back to back doing this, so this is not easy. It's a very difficult job and you have to do it with all honesty. And before I go, I'll just quickly tell you, you know, I was hosting IFA Green Carpet and everyone was coming and giving interviews. And there I saw Rishi uncle, who's no more, and Ranbir. They were entering and they said, you cover from there, I'll cover from here. So there were at least 10 interviewers waiting. हर किसी का box लगा होता है वहाँ पर. And Ranbir I said, what is one thing that you should never miss on the red carpet? People were saying clothes. He said, I should never miss giving the interview because you've been waiting for such a long time and it's my job to be doing this the right way. See, when a person like that says things like this, you have to also learn from it and give that much amount of respect to the last interviewer that is interviewing you, because it's not that person's fault that they're coming the last. So you have to put all your energies as much as you've given in the first one, because they are also doing their job and you need to do yours. You're not doing anyone a favor, but this is your part of the job, so you do it well. Very important, that is. So that's what I learned from that experience. So I try doing what I can do.
यार एक तो मुन्ना भाई का डायलॉग बोल देती हूँ, अब रुलाएगा क्या पगले?
अरे बाप रे, ना मैं भी रुला रहा, और मैं अभी भाग रहा हूँ, मुझे खाना खाना है, बहुत भूख लगी है।
प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, बाय बाय बाय।